Grapes are a type of fruit that grows on woody vines. They come in a variety of colors, including green, red, and purple, and can be eaten fresh or used to make wine, juice, jam, or jelly. Grapes are a good source of vitamin C and K, and contain antioxidants that may help protect against certain diseases. They are also high in natural sugars and carbohydrates, making them a good source of energy. Grapes are grown in many regions around the world, including the Mediterranean, Europe, the Americas, and Asia. Good for heart health. The high levels of polyphenols found in grapes can help promote cardiovascular health. The polyphenols can help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and protect against oxidative damage, all of which can benefit heart health. May aid digestion. Grapes are rich in fiber, which can aid digestion and prevent constipation. They also contain natural acids that may stimulate the digestive system and promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. May help regulate blood sugar. Grapes have a low glycemic index, which means they can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. May improve brain function. The high levels of antioxidants found in grapes, particularly resveratrol, may also benefit brain health. Resveratrol has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, and may even help prevent age-related cognitive decline. Thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked my video, please do like and post your suggestions in the comments.